Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb, and in this video, you're going to learn how to share private S3 objects using a presigned URL in AWS. Let's get into it. Let's start by navigating to the S3 service, then go inside a test bucket. Here, I'm going to upload a file called not.txt, which contains one line that says, "This is a test note." Hit the upload button, then select the file and go to the Actions dropdown. Select Share with a Presigned URL.
Attention!
Then enter a time interval in minutes or hours. I'm going to enter a time interval of 1 minute, which means this presigned URL will expire after 60 seconds.
Giddy up!
Hit the Create Presigned URL, then click on the Copy button. Let's paste this URL in a brand new browser session, and you should be able to see the contents of your not.txt file. However, watch what happens when I hit the refresh button after a minute. This time, I get an access denied error because our presigned URL has expired. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.